In this video, we discuss about a question based on a height and distance. A tower stand on a ground. 2 point A and B on same ground at A and B distance from foot of the tower respectively. If angle of elevation top of the tower from AB is complementary, then find height of the tower. एक मीनार सतह पर खड़ी है। मीनार के आधार से क्रमशः ए बी दूरी पर स्थित दो बिंदु ए और बी है, जहां से मीनार के शीर्ष का उन्नयन कोण एक दूसरे का कोटिपूरक है। तो मीनार की ऊंचाई ज्ञात करो। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड that is the tower, that is minar, okay, and that is the point. PQ is tower, okay. A and B be 2 point, A and B be 2 point on same ground where the tower is stand. The angular elevation is alpha, okay. Then angular elevation from here is beta, 90 minus, okay. Now the distance from the foot of the tower to point A is A and point B is B. Okay. From here the angular elevation is alpha. From here angular elevation is 90 minus alpha. Let us suppose beta. Then that is 90 minus alpha. Why? Both the angles are complement to each other. Given tower AB complementary, okay, एक दूसरे के कोटिपूरक. Therefore, beta equal to 90 minus alpha. In triangle PQA. Now tan alpha equal to perpendicular, let height be h upon height be h, then base is a height upon base, perpendicular upon base. So that is equation number 1. In triangle BPQ, tan beta equal to h upon b. Here length is h, that is the perpendicular, that is h, and base is this, and this is b. Therefore b is 90 minus alpha, that is h by b, that is cot alpha, h by b. Second, from first and second, tan alpha cot alpha equal to h by a, h by b, okay. Now again we know that what we know that tan alpha and cot is 1 by tan alpha. Tan alpha perpendicular upon base and cot alpha is base upon perpendicular. Both are reciprocal to each other. That is h square by h into h, a into b, ab. They cancel. Then h square equal to ab implies that h equal to under root a. Therefore, height of tower is under root AB. Okay, thank you.